We'll guide you through how to set up Namecheap shared hosting. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Namecheap website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Hosting tab at the top of the page and select Shared Hosting from the drop-down menu. You'll see different hosting plans here, so choose the one that suits your needs and click on the Add to Cart button. Follow the prompts to complete your purchase. After purchasing, go to your Namecheap dashboard and click on the hosting list under the Account section. You'll see your newly purchased hosting plan there. Click the Manage button next to it. Now, you need to connect your domain to your hosting. If you purchased a domain from Namecheap, it should appear in the domain list. Click Manage next to the domain and go to the Name Servers section. Choose Namecheap Basic DNS from the drop-down. Then, return to your hosting dashboard and find the Manage button again. This time, click on cPanel in the top menu. In cPanel, you'll see an option for Add-in Domains. Click on it and enter your domain name, creating a subdomain and directory automatically. Click Add Domain to finish. Once that's done, you can start uploading your website files or use a website builder. You can also set up email accounts, databases, and other features from the cPanel. If you're using a website builder or CMS like WordPress, you can install it directly from the cPanel using the Soft Aculus app installer. Just find WordPress, click Install, and follow the setup wizard. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.